Hi everyone, pho is a traditional dish of Vietnam. Pho is made from pho noodles and pho broth, served with beef or chicken, herbs, onions, and lime. Pho noodles are made from rice. Pho broth is cooked from beef or chicken bones, with spices such as onions, ginger, star anise, and pepper. Beef or chicken is sliced thinly and cooked in the pho broth. Pho is a cultural symbol of our country. Pho has also been cooked and sold in a few countries around the world, such as the US, France, Germany, Australia. But definitely eating pho in Vietnam is the best. It is your turn to speak. 1, 2, 3, go! Great job! A little bit every day, you will get better. See you again with other interesting lessons of Trang.